Okay, moms on the go. So we're back, and oops, I need to spray the bottom with the pan so it won't stick. So you just coat your bottom of the pan, and then you take your chicken breast, you lay one here, you lay one here, and then we lay one here. And I've already sprayed the top of it a little bit with, there you go. I sprayed it with olive oil, so now I'm going to take it and put it in the air fryer. Okay, I'm back. So there it is in the air fryer. I'm going to push that in. I'm going to press the start button and the select. And I'm going to go over to hash chicken at 360. I'm going to press that. And it's going to cook for 20 minutes. And then we're going to come back like in 10 minutes and we're going to flip the chicken over for a few minutes to make sure it cooks on the opposite side as well as the top, and then we're going to come back and turn it over again. So 10 minutes from now I'll be back to show you the rest of how to cook the chicken in the air fryer. Okay, thanks. Okay, I'm back, and it's been 10 minutes, actually 9, well, 10 minutes have passed by, so it's 11 minutes. So, this is what the chicken looks like right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is flip it over. Okay. I'm going to spray just a little bit of olive oil and put it back in and let that cook for maybe 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to switch it back over to the other side and let it continue the rest of the time. Okay, so there's only like 1 minute left. So what I'm going to do is flip this back over. Okay. I don't know if you can tell, but that is a nice crispy feel to it. And I'm going to let this just stay in here for another 3 minutes, and then it'll be done. Okay, so I've pulled the chicken out, and I'm going to place it here in this little container. So you see that's done, and it's crispy. Yum. So I hope you enjoyed. Now I have to go clean this, and I hope you enjoyed all that I made.